This is simple marketing, agentic marketing automation for operationally heavy teams. Audiences, campaigns, content, attribution, all in one workspace. I'm Sasha Reeve. I run marketing operations at Hartwell Strategy Group. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how fast a new workspace goes from sign up to fully branded. Sign in with your Microsoft account or an email and password. First sign-in provisions your workspace automatically. No setup wizard, no sales call required. You land on the dashboard. Subscribers, recent campaigns, engagement at a glance. Everything in the left rail is live from day one, including the AI features. Here's the part agencies and resellers care about. Settings, then workspace. Brand name and logo, URL. Whatever you put here replaces the product branding across every customer-facing surface. Your clients see your agency's name, not ours. This is not a hidden enterprise add-on. White label ships on every plan from day one. 2 color fields, primary and accent. Set them once and the entire app repaints. Buttons, links, charts, the email templates you send. The theme injects as CSS variables, so every surface picks up your palette without any custom work. If you run campaigns for multiple clients, each workspace carries its own palette. Switch workspaces and the product switches brands with you. Custom domain, point ACNAME at us, and your team signs in at marketing.yourcompany.com. The login page renders in your brand before anyone authenticates. Custom email from. Campaigns send from your own address on your own domain with your own SPF and DKIM. Recipients never see infrastructure that isn't yours. 1 toggle, white label enabled. When it's on, every product mentioned disappears from customer-facing screens and your brand stands alone. That's the getting started story, a working, fully branded marketing platform in minutes. In the rest of this series, I'll show you audiences, the campaign wizard, forms, and the intelligence layer. See you in the next one.